Hey everyone! So tonight I was craving a Pizookie. So if you don't know what that is, it's kind of like the play on words. It's a chocolate chip cookie in the shape of a pizza. So I'm gonna go ahead and make one tonight. So I've already preheated my oven to 350, and I've already got my cast iron greased up. And so you're gonna melt a 1/3 cup of butter, which I have already done. And then to that, you're going to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and you're going to combine that so it's all blended very well. So make sure your brown sugar is packed so that it's a packed 1/3 cup. And then once we have that all combined, we are going to add 1 egg yolk. I have to separate this. Well, that wasn't very good. So just the yolk. And then you don't have to throw away the egg white. You can make an egg white omelet. And then mix that all together. All right. And then you're going to add in a 1/2 cup of flour plus 2 tablespoons. And then you're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then you're just going to mix that all together so it's very well blended. You can use a mixer if you want. I didn't really feel like grabbing mine out right now. So it should look like this. And then you're going to add a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And combine all of that together. And then once you have this all combined, you are just going to spread it out in your pan. Now again, I'm using a cast iron, so you can use whatever pan you want. The size of your pan also is going to determine the cook time. It can be anywhere from 18 to 22 minutes. And then I am just going to go ahead and bring that over so you can see. I am just going to go ahead and get that in my cast iron. And then you're just going to spread this out. And you can use your hands. My hands are clean. I just washed my hands before I started cooking. So just get that all evened out into your pan. And again, you're going to cook this on 350. I already was preheating my oven. And since this is a 9-inch, I'm going to cook it for about 18 minutes. So I will go ahead and get this in the oven, and then I will come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I just pulled it out. I cooked this for 18 minutes, and it looks so good, and the house smells really good as well. So I'm going to let this cool off, and then I'm going to grab some ice cream that I just made this weekend out of the freezer, and I'm going to go enjoy my Pizookie. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a good rest of your night.